Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't posted in a long time, but it's springtime and I'm sure you guys are all excited that if some of you are contractors, your spring is starting to start up like mine. I'm pretty excited. I got a few things on the go here. During the winter we ended up buying a sawmill, me and my buddy, and we're gonna end up milling our own wood. I'm gonna take you over here. So we purchased the Norwood 38 HD, and this is her. We got it all built. We need to tweak it a little bit. She's cutting straight, but we can definitely perfect the waves. And as you can see here, we ordered a truckload of millable wood and a truckload of firewood. And I'm thinking this year the season's going to be a little bit better because I finally secured a firewood source that's going to be able to supply me consistently, and most of it's already dry, and I'm really happy about that. But here, look at that's the millable wood. This all came on a Super B. I'll show you guys the video of the unloading. And this one is all my firewood. Should be around 30 cords there. And then I still have my old pile over there of tamarack. Haven't gone through that. That's been, I don't know, over a year now, a year and 2 months since it's been sitting there. Anyways, I just want to say hi to everybody again. We're going to start filming a lot of the things that we're doing, and I hope that you guys like the video of the unloading and more videos to come. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like button and subscribe.